Introduction. The metal casting method is the quickest, easiest and cheapest way to produce an object with a close to perfect form. It involves pouring molten metal into a mold cavity and using a ladle to handle it. It has been used for both aesthetic and utilitarian purposes and requires a high level of technical know-how and expertise.
Literature review. First, we can begin from process of die casting and also sand casting. There are 5 steps for the process of die casting, which is clamping, injection, cooling, ejection and also trimming. These are very important steps for die casting. Next, we can see the types of die casting process. There are 6 types of die casting process, which is hot chamber die casting, cold die casting, low pressure die casting, vacuum die casting, and skew die casting, and also semi-ball die casting. Next, we can see the process of sand casting. There are 5 basic steps for sand casting. First, we have to place a pattern in a sand to create a mold, incorporate the pattern and sand to getting in system, remove the pattern. Next, we have to fill the mold with molten metal, and the last step is allow the metal to cool, break away the sand mold and remove the casting. These are the basic steps for process of sand casting. And the types of sand casting, usually we use the green sand, water sand and also resin sands. Next, we can see the advantages for both casting. The die casting, the advantages are we can tighter tolerance. Besides, we also can fast the production cycle times and recyclable choice of materials. For sand casting, the advantages are the production is low cost. The second one is short lead time, high complexity shapes, and also simple productions process.
For methodology,
a wide range of products with great dimensional precision and productivity has been produced using the high-pressure die casting method. It is a cost-effective and efficient process for creating components with minimal surface roughness and acceptable dimension precision, and it has a significantly higher production rate than method. All significant aluminium automobile components may be processed. High pressure die casting is a rapid process that depends on a lot of variables. Therefore, it takes a lot of time and experience, including testing and modeling, to create the problem. Conventional die design and process development that relies on trial and error is costly and time consuming. Additionally, a product such as that can result in more casting rejection.
Next is for sand casting. Foundry sands are usually a blend of silica grains S1O2, 5 to 20% clay or bentonites, and water 2 to 8%. Sand is molded by hand or machines around a wooden or metal patterns that can be withdrawn to leave a cavity of the required shape in the sand. Access to the mold cavity for molten metal entry in the provided via pouring basin sphere, runner, riser, and in a gate system molded in the tops or bottom half of the mold. Cores are used to form holes in castings. They are placed in the split mold after pattern removal. A wide range of productivity is obtainable from machines molding using apparatus such as hand-operated jaw squeezes to a massive industrial part.
Result and discussion. For high pressure die casting, at the part A we can see the material stress, B we can see the temperature, and C we can see the liquid fraction. And for sand casting, we have 3 main defects. First is sand related defects, next is mold defects, and last is metal related defects.
For conclusion, the metal casting is a process of shaping a metal that can be impacted by temperature and pressure. It is important to pick the cycle that enjoys a higher benefit to ensure the most benefit from the interaction. The material kind of metal also plays a significant part in picking the cycle, as it has its unique attributes like flexibility, pliability, and thickness. Without advances and investigates, there will be a limited measure of use and interaction for metal casting.